I'm here live with a lofa and Umamau, and we're gonna ask her some questions. What the hell are you doing? Is one.
It's my introduction.
All right. So, what do you like to do on your spare time, Miss?
Well, I'm involved with a lot of school activities, after-school activities, and I'm president of ASB at our school.
Bullshit.
I attend Helix High School, and I am a junior.
Oh, really?
And
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. And please shut up.
How old are you?
Please shut up, fat person.
How old are you?
I'm
That's what you call.
Quit zooming in on my nose. Look at that.
Wait, I wasn't even zooming in. Stupid.
Yeah. So I have to keep my face like this from now on.
No, or I'm not gonna interview you.
Okay, it's gone. It's gone. So as I was saying, I'm involved with a lot of school activities. I am president of ASB, and I'm president of the choir at our school. Yes, I got them vocals.
Whoa. Whoa.
Vocals.
And okay, no. Anyway.
Any more questions?
So, what's your status?
Like on MySpace. I love my tagley.
Your relationship status.
I see.
Dude, you don't want to
See, well, I've been single for like 15 years of my life.
Dude, what's wrong with that, Alofa? What's wrong? You're being purity. You're being pure. I mean, is that your purity ring right there?
This is my purity ring. No sex until I'm married.
Oy, oy.
And
Amen.
half of my heart. And I have the other half of my heart. Just don't know who I'm going to give it to. So she's holding it right now.
That girl right there. That black
but
girl.
I'm not gay. And you know, you're supposed to say no homo, but then that's like so old.
Totally play out.
Yeah.
Totally.
You know, they have it in brackets.
Count Newman, you
no
know.
Homo. No homo.
Man, we don't. Man.
No.
I don't even know what to say.
No homo. Okay, any more questions?
Wait, hold on. Give me a question to ask you. So, what's your favorite color?
Oh shoot, color rip till I die. You know, I'm
That's
crab
not a
for
color.
life.
That's
I'm
not a color.
crab for
That ain't no
life.
color.
I'm crab for life.
That's not a color. I'm sorry. What?
Blue. I'm blue, cuh. And then you know, but then when I'm on the ocean side, you know, all big blood. You know.
Ooh, She need to stop, you know.
I'm two-faced like that.
She just.
I'm two-faced. I'm
riding on the
I'm a fake
wankster
original
wagon
gangster.
right there.
I'm a fake original. I'm fake. You know? I'm just, you know. When I'm down here, I'm fall emo. When I'm up there, I'm, you know, be nutty.
Yeah.
Mid-Valley, Oceanside.
Something's wrong with her.
Yeah.
So your favorite color is blue,
Actually,
but then you like red sometimes?
Actually, I like teal. You know what teal is?
Oh, no, not really.
Okay, well, it's a color in my eyes. I'm just kidding. It's a color in my eyes. I don't know what color teal is.
You know what black defines?
See the teal?
You see that shit?
You teal?
Hey,
teal?
check that out, Oos.
Yeah.
That's teal black.
Okay, next question.
So, what kind of questions do you want me to ask you?
Oh, like what kind
Do you
of
want me to,
color
like, get personal, or do you not want me to get personal?
Yes, personal as you want.
But then I don't know if I want to get personal, so you have to give me questions to ask you.
You can get personal.
Okay.
Because I'll put my business out there.
Okay, hold on. I need to think of some stuff, you know? What do you think about, gay people? Okay, what do you think about... I don't know.
I think that gay people should have a chance to marry each other. You know, that's just God's people.
Okay, next question.
Okay.
What do you think about... Fuck, I can't think of anything. I'm kind of like stuck. My arm's hurting because it's big. book.
If it was somebody else, you would have had a lot of questions lined up.
I know, but you know, it's like when
Oh,
you
no.
talk to the person, it just loses. I mean, it just goes away. Feels me, Oos? So what do you plan on doing after high school?
Okay. I'm planning to attend Point Loma Nazarene.
Where is that located?
In Point Loma. Wait, no, Point Loma's a high school. But it's located somewhere in San Diego.
I guess.
No, and I'm majoring in math.
What kind of math?
I don't know. And oh, metric. Oh, see that?
Oh my gosh, did you just turn your phone around?
No, it's a metric.
I can't. Oh shoot. Oh man, it was so tricky that. Oh man, I didn't get it.
Slow motion.
Yeah. He is so sleeping. Who's your favorite person in the world besides me? Who's your favorite person in the world besides me?
You, because there's 5 of you. Just kidding.
There's 5 of you too. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, that really hurt my feelings. Okay, next question.
Okay, let's finish this one. Okay, who?
Well, my favorite person in the world was, I kind of idoled my 3rd grade teacher, because she set a standard that I had to fulfill, Like, I'm getting emotional a little bit. She just had her life together. I mean, she's just
so. Oh man.
Yeah.
She touched your fatu.
Yeah. She touched other places that she was. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh hell no! Cut.
Okay,
We need a cut.